Let's make my gigantic style Rocky Road. These are not your usual style Rocky Road. These are Rocky Road that are filled with endless amount of cookies, biscuits, and some chocolate and marshmallow. So let's get to it. Start off by adding your butter and your chocolate. Here I've got a tiny bit of 72% chocolate, and then the rest is 54%. But don't worry, I'll leave all the recipe on my website, and then the link is in my bio. So add some golden syrup and let it do its thing on a bain-marie while it's all melted. Now for the filling, I've got some marshmallow, I've got some digestive. Feel free to put any other biscuit than digestive if you want to. I've got some Oreos as well, and I've got some these really nice biscuits that are like caramel flavored. Now once your chocolate has fully melted, mix it all and drizzle it over your creation. Mix it all together until it's fully coated with chocolate, and then after that spread it on your baking sheet that is already layered with parchment, because you don't want that to stick at the bottom, so make sure you have a parchment paper. After that I've put some crunchies on top. I don't like putting crunchies inside because when it comes to slicing it can break your Rocky Road, so I prefer putting them on top. Plus the honeycomb gives a really nice look. I sprinkle some sprinkles on top, and then I put it in the fridge for 2 hours. After that I took it out 20 minutes before I sliced it, and I'm telling you, it tastes absolutely amazing. It's like fudgy, delicious. If you want to have many different types of chocolate and you don't want to feel guilty about it, Rocky Road is your answer.